The architectural trend of minimalist living has undergone a dramatic aesthetic upgrade with the advent of the mid-century modern tiny house, creating a mobile structure that perfectly encapsulates sophisticated, nostalgic flair. This specific design philosophy masterfully fuses the iconic, optimistic visual language of the 1950s and 1960s, defined by its characteristic linear discipline, playful fusion of organic shapes with bold geometric forms, and a deep reverence for natural building materials with the rigorous, space-saving necessities inherent in a dwelling on wheels. Stepping across the threshold of one of these diminutive homes is an experience akin to entering a carefully preserved snapshot of elegant simplicity, where the utility and visual appeal of every single square inch have been meticulously engineered for maximum impact. The resulting environment is characterized by an immediate sensation of unfettered space and a refined, subtly luxurious warmth, unequivocally demonstrating that reducing one's footprint in the world certainly doesn't require sacrificing an ounce of impeccable taste. A foundational principle driving this mobile vintage appeal is a strong emphasis on maximizing the penetration of natural daylight and fostering a feeling of environmental connection. Expansive windows, frequently featuring the distinct, unconventional shapes so characteristic of genuine mid-century modern architecture, efficiently drench the internal space in light. This deliberate strategy optically stretches the compact dimensions, lending the illusion of far greater size and successfully blurring the division between the interior sanctuary and the surrounding landscape. Inside, the chosen material palette is a deliberate homage to the period's highest standards. Rich, warmly toned natural hardwoods, particularly the deep grains of walnut or teak, are extensively utilized for sleek flooring, seamless built-in cabinetry, and detailed accents. These woods provide a beautiful counterpoint to thoughtfully selected color accents, often vibrant yet inherently earthy tones woven into textiles, throw pillows, and decorative objects. Furniture selections are rigorously edited, prioritizing low-slung profiles and essential multifunctionality, thereby reinforcing the era's core belief that furnishings must simultaneously embody practical comfort, and sheer beauty. Key space-saving features are seamlessly integrated, including cleverly concealed storage niches,